Good morning, students. Previously, we have studied different political theories concept, and today onwards, we are going to start one new concept, that is social justice. What is justice? All cultures and traditions have grappled with question of justice, although they may have interpreted the concept in different ways. In our culture or in our ancient history, we find the meaning of justice, but in a different way. Like this, all the other cultures of the world also tell us about the justice. So we will study different theories of justice. In ancient Indian society, justice was associated with dharma and maintaining dharma, or a just social order was considered to be a primary duty of kings. In China, Confucius, the famous philosopher, argued that kings should maintain justice by punishing wrongdoers and rewarding the virtuous. These concepts were followed as a definition of justice during ancient time. In Greek country, Athens, Plato discussed issues of justice in his book The Republic. Through a long dialogue between Socrates and his young friends Glaucon and Edementus, Plato examined why we should be concerned about justice. The young people asked Socrates why we should be just. They observed that people who were unjust, or in our daily life also we see many people who are unjust, they are getting more benefits. So why some people are following justice? So Socrates answers these young people that if everyone to be unjust, if everyone manipulated rules to suit their own interests, no one could be sure of benefiting from injustice. Nobody would be secure, and this was likely to harm all of them. In different manner we can say we follow justice for ourselves and for others, and justice is a natural quality of human being. So when we are following justice or the just concept, human being behave rightly. You can say in a simple words, justice consists in a system of understanding and procedure through which each is accorded his or her due. Now we will discuss the Plato's views on justice. He explained that justice does not only mean doing good to our friends and harm to our enemies, or pursuing our own interests. Justice involves the well being of all the people, which I have noted on your screen. You can read the views of Plato's. Okay, let's continue. Just Justice involves the well being of all the people. Just as a doctor is concerned with the well-being of his or her patient, similarly, the just ruler or the just government must be concerned with the well-being of the people, or you can say the citizens. Ensuring the well-being of the people includes giving each person his due, is justice. Now, Immanuel Kant, German philosopher's views for justice. According to German philosopher, human beings possess dignity. If all persons are granted dignity, then that what is due to each of them is that they have the opportunity to develop their talents and pursue their chosen goals. Justice requires that we give due and equal consideration to all individuals. Means all the individuals are getting the deserved dues. In that case, justice is applicable. I hope all the points are clear to you. If you face any problem, you can ask. Thank you and have a nice day.